The legend is back and better than ever. Say hello to the all-new 2025 Porsche 911, an icon that keeps evolving while staying true to its roots. More power, advanced tech, and a refined design, Porsche has taken the 911 to a whole new level. Let's dive deep into what makes the new 911 a masterpiece of engineering and performance. Porsche has subtly refined the 2025 911's design, keeping its signature silhouette intact while enhancing aerodynamics. The front now features slimmer LED matrix headlights and a more aggressive bumper design for improved airflow. At the back, a wider light strip and an active rear spoiler give it that unmistakable 911 stance. And let's talk about the new lightweight alloy wheels. They're designed for both style and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Porsche 911 continues with its legendary rear-mounted flat-six engine, but this time, it's even more powerful. Depending on the variant, you get up to 600 horsepower in the turbo models. And for the first time ever, Porsche is introducing a hybrid-assisted 911. The new T-hybrid system boosts performance while improving efficiency, without sacrificing the thrilling 911 experience. This means faster acceleration, sharper handling, and even better fuel economy. Expect 0 to 60 mph times as low as 2.8 seconds in the high-performance models. Step inside, and you're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit that blends luxury with motorsport DNA. The 2025 model gets a fully digital instrument cluster, a new 12.9-inch touchscreen, and updated haptic controls for a cleaner look. And check this out. Porsche's new adaptive bucket seats give you the perfect balance between comfort and track-ready support. Connectivity. The 2025 911 is loaded with the latest tech, including wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Burmester sound system. The new Porsche Active Suspension Management (PASM) system makes the 2025 911 handle like a dream. Whether you're cruising on the highway or attacking tight corners, this car gives you confidence like never before. Want a relaxed drive? Switch to comfort mode. Need to unleash the beast? Sport Plus transforms the 911 into a track-ready monster. The 2025 Porsche 911 is expected to start at $120,000, with the turbo and hybrid models going even higher. It's set to hit dealerships by late 2024, so if you want one, better get on the waiting list now. So, what do you think about the 2025 Porsche 911? Is it the ultimate sports car, or would you pick something else? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting car content from Auto World.